At number 1, we have the Rinnai RU, an 80IN tankless water heater. This powerhouse delivers a 10 GPM flow rate, supplying hot water for up to 5 appliances at once. Its 180,000 BTU output ensures your whole household can shower, cook, and clean without any drop in temperature. Please, it's Energy Star certified with 93-96% efficiency, saving you money and helping the planet. My plumber recommended it for its quality, and I love that it mounts neatly on the wall, freeing up floor space. While there's a slight delay first thing in the morning, the hot water is endless after that, and it lasts twice as long as a standard tank.
At number 2, we have the Rheem RTX13 electric tankless water heater. This budget-friendly heater boasts an impressive 99% energy efficiency rating. That means nearly all the energy you pay for goes directly into heating water. While it isn't for large households, its 3.17 GPM flow rate is perfect for an apartment or cottage with 1 or 2 occupants. Combined with its low price and the generally lower installation cost of electric units, this model offers excellent value. Rheem RTX13, efficient, affordable, and reliable. The smart choice for your home.
At number 3, we have the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus. This high-efficiency electric tankless water heater delivers an impressive 99% efficiency rating. Weighing just 19 pounds, it's incredibly compact, easy to wall mount, and requires no venting. And you'll love its silent operation, providing hot water without the noise. Advanced flow control technology ensures consistent hot water, preventing uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. Plus, a bold digital display shows your accumulated cost savings in real time. Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus, German engineering for over 100 years, with USA-based support you can count on.
At number 4, we have the Takagi TH3DVN condensing gas tankless water heater. The ultimate solution for never running out of hot water. This isn't just powerful, it's smart. With a 93% efficiency rating and Energy Star certification, it saves you money and helps the planet. With a 10 GPM flow rate, it effortlessly supplies 3 to 4 bathrooms at once. Perfect for your home or small business. Its commercial-grade copper heat exchanger is 25 times more efficient than stainless steel, built for decades of reliable performance. Customers love its easy installation and long-term reliability, with many using it trouble-free for over 8 years. Stop waiting for hot water. The Takagi TH3DVN delivers endless supply, efficiency, and peace of mind. It's the last water heater you'll ever need to buy.
The Rinnai RU180YN tankless water heater, the ultimate solution for endless hot water. With a 10 GPM flow rate, it supplies hot water for up to 6 appliances all at once. No more cold showers. Its compact wall-mounted design saves precious floor space, and with optional Wi-Fi, you control the comfort. Built to last, a Rinnai tankless water heater can last up to twice as long as a standard tank, join over 900 satisfied customers. Upgrade to Rinnai for endless hot water and peace of mind.